Your Clover Flex comes ready to take payments in just minutes. In the box, you'll find your Clover Flex, charging cradle, and your starter kit, which includes a power brick and power cord, a paper roll, screwdriver, and a quick start guide. Let's get your Clover Flex connected. First, we'll connect the power brick to the charging cradle. Then connect the power cable to the power brick and to a power source. Place the Flex into the charging cradle and charge for at least 30 minutes. The battery icon will appear on screen when charging. Press and hold the power button until the Clover logo appears. Select the language for your setup, then follow the setup wizard to activate your device. Next, we'll connect to your network and activate your device. You can connect via your cellular network or Wi-Fi. We'll walk through connecting to each. For cellular connectivity, an LTE-enabled device will automatically connect to a cellular network. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, tap Configure and select the name of your wireless network. Enter the network password and tap Connect. Once connected to the internet, your device will download and install the latest version of Clover software. It will reboot once after the initial install. While you're waiting, Clover support will send you an email with the activation code for your device. The code will be sent to the email address used to set up your merchant account. Check your spam folder if you do not receive the email. If you have multiple Clover devices, each device has its own unique activation code. Use the device serial number to match it with the right code. If this is the first Clover device you've activated, you'll be asked to enter an admin passcode. This passcode gives access to your Clover devices as the owner or admin. If you already have an admin account, the setup process will skip this step and your apps will begin installing. Next, we'll install the printer paper. Open the printer door and insert the paper roll. Then print a quick test receipt. Now, you can set some initial settings, such as whether you want to require a passcode to unlock the device and where to prompt for tips, either on the device or on the printed receipt. You can edit these settings later in the Setup app. Your Clover Flex comes feature-loaded. Here are a few of the features you'll love. Plus, there are a variety of Clover accessories that can help streamline the day-to-day.
Whether opening or reopening, when it's your dream, you wouldn't trust your business to anything but the most reliable. Clover Flex is the lightning-fast mobile point of sale that can print, scan, and accept virtually any type of payment, all on a single charge. So at the end of the day, you can worry less and focus on what you love.